Server is back post installing the post promoting the server to your domain controller. So if you go to notification tab, yes, there is no pending task to be conducted, and you can see the services are running. All that you can see. One service is not running. We'll see what is AD server clipboard. It is not a required service. Still, we'll just start it. Let it be there. So here you can see it is starting the service. Let it be. Yeah. So everything is fine. All are in the green tab now. So we'll go to tools and see, you can see the Active Directory users and computers over here. And sites and services, group policy management, all this stuff you can see here. So we will just go to the AD users and computers and we'll have an overview. So before moving to that, as I told you, where the database of the Active Directory will be shown, we'll just check it in this PC, a local C, Windows. There should be some NTDS folder. Yeah, this is the database for the Active Directory, and there should be a, even in the NTDS folder you can see the log files too, and there is something called sysvol folder. Where is sysvol folder? Yeah, sysvol folder is something to be if some synchronization files between the domain controllers and between the in the domain, something to be synchronized, we keep those files in the sysvol folder. Okay, that all those things we can see in the while checking the group policy management. So let us go to the AD. To go to AD, either you can select tools and click active direct users and computers, or you can go to run and type dsa.msc. Both will come land on this page. So here you can see this is our domain, and the domain controller. You can see the domain controller which we created as of now. Uses, again we will just go through these. All these are built in. I have not created any user as of now. So we'll just go to the main admin, schema admin, designate administrator on schema. If you want to make any changes in the schema level, you should have a schema admin privilege. These are high privileged user. Schema admin, enterprise admin, and domain admin. These are, sorry, excuse me. These are some high privileged users. Enterprise admin, in the sense, designated administrator over the enterprise. It is something like if you are member of enterprise admin, you can do any changes in the entire forest. Domain admin, if you have an access in the domain admin, you can do make changes in the domain, which is joyroute.com. In this domain, you can make any changes. Enterprise admin, schema admin, see. And if you go to members, is there any member on this? Yeah, our administrator one, which is a default created one. Uh, so this is member of schema admin. I think it will be member of interface admin. We'll check is it a member? Yeah, and even in the domain admin, even in the domain admins. Yes. Okay. Fine. So we will create a new user. We'll provide him some privileges. With all these privileges, we am creating a domain user here. Go here, new, and create user. And I'm giving my name to the user, which is Jojo, Jojo. Last name is initial. I'm not giving last name. It should be Paul. And yeah, user logo name I'm giving as Jojo. Next, user must change the password. Not required. Password never expressed. Let it be. And I'm giving a password here. Mm. Okay, I have given the password for it and click next. Finish. So we have created a user, Jojo Paul. So and I'm going to add this user to all the domain admin groups and also member of. I'm adding to domain admins. Domain itself is enough. We'll check it. No, it's not picking. So let it be DOMAINADMIN. Domain admin. Check names. It's because object type groups. Okay. Then why it's not picking it up? Domain admins. Paste domain admin, check names. Yeah. Okay. So it is taken domain admin. Now we are going to add enterprise admin. ENTERPRISE enterprise. Let us check it out. Yeah, enterprise admin. I'm adding it. Clicking OK. And I'm adding schema admin. Schema check names. Yeah. So my account has become high privileged one. So I can make any changes on my domain, on my forest, on the schema level. I can make the changes. So that's it. In another video, we will be explaining much more in the Active Directory. Thank you.